Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern DeKalb County in north central Illinois, northwestern Kane County in northeast Illinois, extreme eastern Noble County in north central Illinois until 7:15 p.m. At 6:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Hillcrest.
There we go!
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western DuPage County in northeast Illinois, southern Kane County in northeast Illinois until 7:30 p.m. At 6:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Hinckley and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. The severe thunderstorm will be near Sugar Grove and Elburn around 6:55 p.m. Batavia and North Aurora around 7:10 p.m. St. Charles around 7:15 p.m. West Chicago and DuPage Airport around 7:20 p.m. Warrenville and Naperville around 7:25 p.m. Winfield around 7:30 p.m. Other locations affected: Aurora University, Fermilab, Illinois Math and Science Academy, Kane County Cougars Ballpark,